Hey, how are you? Back from the hospital and in my own digs now, so let's resume. What I was thinking about when I was in the hospital, and it happened to me often there, are you feeling you lack control over your life? I mean, have you ever been feeling like the exterior forces were in control and there wasn't anything you can do about it? I recently felt this way, being hospitalized for a broken hip, but it can happen to you through, a job, an employer, family situations, or even just sitting in traffic. Your relationship or waiting in line at the checkout counter can make you feel out of control when the exterior forces are affecting you in ways you don't want to be affected. At the hospital, they told me when to eat, what to eat, when to get up, when to go to sleep, when to do my physical therapy, and what to do for that therapy that I needed. When to shower, when to get dressed. They even checked when I went to the bathroom and looked in the toilet to make sure I was doing it right. I don't know. Uh, One could say it could get overwhelming when your exterior people and things have such utter control over your existence. In the practical world, one could identify and limit those stressors, break down tasks into little more manageable tasks, and engage regularly in hobbies or interests or activities that bring you joy. There are ways to control that. But you can do that in traffic or in the hospital. You can't do it in those places. At the Abundance Alchemy, we talk about and we teach you ways to control your life, to feel like you're in charge of what's going to happen next, that your future is something that you want, not that the exterior world wants. We teach things like mindfulness, meditation, breathing exercises, and for me, a big one is visualization. I closed my eyes when I was exercising on the physical therapy machines, and I thought about water skiing. I love water skiing. It's like surfing. You know, when the waves are big, you cut through them, you're in control of the waves. The waves aren't in control of you. The feeling of just swishing through the water. I had a friend years ago told me that he's surfing through life and that he takes every wave as it comes, but that he doesn't take the wave as it comes, the wave takes him as he comes. We at the Abundance Alchemy, that's what we like to do. We don't take the wave as it comes, we have the wave take us as we come. Come join us at the Abundance Alchemy on Facebook. Join the group. I'm out of the hospital now, so we're going to get things rolling and we're going to start teaching some classes. I think you'll enjoy it, and I'd love to see you there. It'd be great to have you.